I just got this pack of 100 resealable pouches, and it is really awesome for either a business use or even a personal use. So if you had a business, it is a great way to pack items in there. So you have like the little pouch here up at the top. It is nice and wide, easy to put things in and out. And then, of course, you have the little seal that you just slide right across there. As you can see, nothing's going to fall out. I love that it has this little hole here because if you were using it for a business and you had it in a store, you could actually hook them up on a wall. So you can basically put, you know, if you were selling like earrings or hair ties, anything like that. As a personal use, you know, when you're traveling, if you have any medication, you can put your medication in there. You can put all your different kinds of jewelry. And these are actually like a smell proof. So they lock in that smell. So you can actually like put little candies in here if you wanted to. This one, I just wanted to test out. As you can see, it actually has water in there. It's got some liquid, so you can see that that's a really great seal that you have going on there. So these ones are the black, and of course they have the nice clear front in the front so you can see what's inside, but they do come in different colors and different sizes. So yeah, this is really great, as I said, if you have a business or just for your personal use at home.